The sun casts long, dramatic shadows across the meticulously manicured lawns of Adrogué, a private neighborhood in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is here, nestled within a beautiful, expansive plot, that the Y House by Jorgelina Tortorici and Asociados stands as a testament to modern, sophisticated design. The first impression is one of unwavering confidence, a structure that is both bold and serene, rooted firmly in its idyllic surroundings while simultaneously offering a forward-looking vision of luxury living. Its presence doesn't just complement the landscape, it frames it, offering residents an uninterrupted canvas of green views and stunning natural light. The architectural foundation of the Y House is a study in contrasts and engineered precision. Its structure is a robust symphony of an independent reinforced concrete framework complemented by sleek, well-placed metal columns. This combination is the source of the home's steady, almost fortress-like character, yet it never feels imposing. Instead, it exudes a quiet, high-end luxury, a promise of durability and timeless design. Externally, the house presents a facade of strong, clean lines, a confident statement that harmonizes with the luxury amenities hidden within its walls. The journey into the home's functionality begins below the surface. A discreet basement level expertly handles the more utilitarian aspects of modern life. This semi-buried area is dedicated to service quarters and a spacious garage, ensuring that the practical necessities are kept out of sight, preserving the elegant simplicity of the main living spaces. This thoughtful distribution immediately sets a tone of seamless, organized living, preparing the resident for the effortless flow of the floors above. Ascending to the ground floor, elevated approximately 1 meter above the terrain, the heart of daily life beats strongly. This level is a masterclass in open-plan living and connection to nature. An expansive, integrated kitchen and dining room acts as the central hub, designed to flow naturally and overlook an inviting outdoor patio and the azure gleam of the pool. This floor also houses a personal study and a serene en-suite bedroom, both strategically oriented to capture the best of the green, surrounding views, making every moment of daily routine feel like a peaceful retreat. The house maintains a clear distinction between the daily and the sporadic. The upper floor is thoughtfully reserved for use by visiting guests, offering them privacy and a touch of independent luxury. This level features an intimate living room that opens up and overlooks the central double-height space below. This architectural move is ingenious, allowing space to seemingly dissolve, generating captivating crossed views that connect the two main levels and foster an airy, communal spirit even when guests are tucked away. This guest floor also accommodates 2 generous en-suite bedrooms, cleverly linked by a versatile studio space. The route to these upper sanctuaries is a visual spectacle, marked by the main staircase, a dramatic feature that appears to hang from the exposed concrete slab using elegant tensors. Above this ascent, a large skylight frames the journey, flooding the core of the house with natural light and drawing the eye upwards, celebrating the material honesty of the structure. interior design is a meticulous extension of the architecture, built upon a foundation of thoughtful colors and textures. The palette is distinctly modern and soothing, dominated by a sophisticated blend of neutral and gray colors. This choice is not merely aesthetic, it is the distinctive element that brings harmony to the White House, providing a calm and endlessly convenient backdrop for the owner's life. It is within this refined atmosphere that the home truly delivers on its promise of a sophisticated and luxurious existence. A powerful design theme throughout the interior is the dynamic contrast between material rusticity and fine finish. The honest, raw texture of the exposed concrete, seen in structural elements like the slabs and their inverted beams, is set against the finer, smoother materials used for walls, cabinetry, and flooring. This dialogue between materials provides depth and tactile interest. Furthermore, the structural brilliance is not just visible, it's functional. The inverted beams and slabs ingeniously conceal the home's air and drainage systems within their thickness, resulting in clean, uncluttered exposed concrete ceilings. The final vision of the White House is one of perfect coalescence. From the integrated kitchen and dining room that effortlessly expands into the green patio and outliving spaces to the thoughtful separation of private and guest areas, every element has been considered to offer supreme convenience and aesthetic pleasure. Jorgelina Tortorici Asociados have not just designed a house, they have curated an experience where architecture, luxury, and nature meet in flawless harmony, making the sophisticated White House a truly dream residence in the heart of Adrogué. And there you have it, the spectacular White House in Adrogué, a true masterpiece by Jorgelina Tortorici Asociados. What really sets this home apart isn't just its sleek lines or its massive concrete structure, it's the intelligence behind the design. They managed to take this bold, robust structure and infuse it with an incredible sense of luxury and calm. From that hidden basement garage to the soaring skylight above the hanging staircase, every detail serves a purpose, marrying toughness with tranquility. If you enjoyed this tour of the White House, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next dive into architectural brilliance. You can also click the bell icon to get notified. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.